Diretso muna.
Sige na.
You have to be able to do it with your eyes closed.
May tugtog na.
Isa ba?
2, 3, 4, 5,
Saktong-sakto
6, 7, 8. Lift your feet up. Lift your feet up. Hindi nga na eh. Oh, tatalambot yung paa ko sa ganyan. Ibabad mo sa ano para lumambot.
Sabay tayo nun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Taas ng paa mo. Taas! Taas!
Ginagin na ng tit. 1, 2, 3 ang pagpasok. Sige, dala. Yung ano ba yun? Sino na ba? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus.
You're doing it right, but just calm down. Make it more sexy. Go, sexy. From the top. I'm just joking. It's really good. It's good.
Lift your feet up. Lift your feet up.
It's cute.
From there.